Hi, everyone. Now, as we approach our upcoming summit, get ready to explore, innovate, and connect. This December 3rd to 6th at Kenyatta University, Nairobi, Kenya. Actuate Biomedicine is bringing together some of the brightest minds to Nairobi. Let's dive into the powerful workshops that will shape the future of health, technology, sustainability, and more. Here's a glimpse into the powerful sessions at the summit that will reflect the one shared vision. Cybersecurity Workshop. Stay ahead of digital threats with cutting-edge insights into protecting data and ensuring safe tech applications. Information Technology Workshop. Discover how advanced information technology is reshaping healthcare, communication, and societal systems. Nuclear Energy Workshop. Learn about the latest in nuclear technology, focusing on safe, sustainable, and efficient energy. STEM Knowledge Translation Workshop. Bridge the gap between STEM research and real-world application to make science accessible to all. Mental Health Workshop. Explore innovative tools and strategies to support mental health and well-being, creating healthier communities. Women's Workshop. A platform dedicated to empowering women in technology, health, and innovation. Water and Energy Workshop. Investigate sustainable approaches to manage water and energy resources crucial for the future. Health Access Workshop. Join us as we discuss paths to make healthcare universally accessible, particularly in remote areas. Food and Agriculture Workshop. Uncover artificial intelligence-driven agricultural techniques designed to meet global food needs sustainably. Surgery Workshop. Discover advances in surgical technology and techniques that are transforming patient outcomes. Environmental Health Workshop. Focus on environmental factors affecting human health, with solutions for cleaner, safer living conditions. Actuate Biomedical and Translational Science Workshop. See how biomedicine is evolving, translating research into practical primary health access solutions. Blockchain and Decentralized Finance Workshop. Experience the potential of decentralized finance and blockchain in advancing healthcare access and economic resilience. From tech innovations to health access and sustainability, our workshops will push boundaries and inspire new possibilities. Join us at the Actuate Nairobi Summit 2024. Be part of the movement shaping a healthier, smarter, and more sustainable future. Save the date, bring your passion, and let's create change together this December. We have a variety of workshops that I mentioned, that is, Cybersecurity Workshop, Information Technology, Nuclear Energy, STEM Knowledge Translation, Mental Health, Women's, Water and Energy, Health Access, Food and Agriculture, Surgery, Environmental Health, Biomedicine and Translational Science, and Blockchain and Decentralized Finance. Join us and be part of the change. Sign up now at www.actuate.bio. See you at the summit.